Okay, great. So next I wanted to talk to you about expenditure transactions, but this time I'll talk to you on the side of the expenditure. So an expenditure, if you have been getting expenditure that you are taking from the bank statement, so you click here and then you consider any expenditure that you want to put here. But I'll start with the first expenditure, which happens to be the SGB employees salaries. Okay, so when you click here SGB employees salaries and you click here, all right, look at this. It's automatically asking you, okay, select the employee. So what the system is doing is that it is actually picking from the employees database that you have put on the system. All right, so if you are paying them, let's just say you are paying them, you paid them on the 31st of March and you are recording this, and then you're gonna say salaries, right? Or you can put the name of the person that you are paying. Let's just say the name of the person is Andrew. All right, person that you are paying is Andrew here. All right, and then the payment method was an EFT, and select the thing. So you're gonna select Andrew here, but let's just say here this one. All right, and then you click, come back again here, then already it's now telling you that okay, uh it's already calculating the 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 net amount, the salary here. Then here you can come here, click salaries, right? And then you can now click save here. Look where it took me to employee payroll report. So employee payroll report per month, it's showing you everything. And then what I just need to do is to click here, print, and then come here, and then this is when I now have my employee payroll report. So I say, please can I have the payroll report? I need this is what the auditors wants when they request for the employee payroll report. Okay, but however, this report again should be on the cash payments journal. All right, so when you click here, the month of March, we want to see if truly we recorded that amount. Okay, there you go. You can see Andrew is here, SGP employee. All right, so everything is there. All right, everything is there. So the system has already recorded it on the cash payment journal. Like what I explained on the previous video on the income, the same thing. On your income, in the income and expenditure report, on your expenditure report is actually showing only the categories added together, all right, and the amount. All right, so if you made a mistake and an error, you don't trace it from the income and expenditure report, you trace it from the cash payment journal, because it is the one that has the details, the actual the actual details of a transaction. All right, so that's how you go about that with employee payroll report. Let's just do another one again. Let's just come here. Now this time is want to do an expenditure, but in this case the expenditure that I want to have here is not here. What if, and all these expenditures that you have put here, they are not, the expenditure that I want to put here is not here. So what is it that I need to do so that I can have my own category that I want to put here? So this is what you do. You come here home, all right, and then you come here budget, all right, and then you click add budget category. Which category do you want? It is expenditure. What type of expenditure? Let's just say it's tracker. You want to put tracker there, so you can click save. All right, so there you go. So this is your category. So if I come here and I want to check if the trolleys it has been added, come to the expenditures, check my expenditure. There you go, the tracker is here. The tracker has been added, but you need to be very careful because this tracker is an expenditure. So it means that for us to track the tracker expenditure, it means that you need to put the budget in the name of this new category, which is a tracker. All right, so it has to, whatever that you put here, the balance, because this is actually going to be added on your budget. All right, on the budget category. So you want to make sure that also any expenditure that you put here is actually budget, has actually a budget item to reach, so that you are able to track that particular expenditure. So thank you so much. And then lastly, if for example you are not happy or you made a mistake on one of the expenditures, so you just come here and say expenditure. All right, so it gives you everything, all right, from January up until March. Let's say you don't want to look for everything, you can come here and filter. So we want to look for information for January only. So January the 1st to January the 3rd, then you can select, do you want all or you only want balances? Do we want expenditure only? And then you click retrieve. So what does it do? It just gives you the only information for January only. Let's say we want January again, January the 31st. So what do we want here? We want income only. Let's see, now it gives you only income that was recorded in no, see here, let's just try January to January the 31st. We want income. It's just going to give me only income for January. Can you see this? Let's say you want January only, the balances from January to January the 31st, and you want to check only the balances. Click retrieve. See, I can only have one balance. All right, this is the only balance that I have. Okay, so let's come back here again. Let's say we want March now. Click March from the 1st. Want to trace all the expenditure that we put in the month of March. Until here, we just want expenditures. Click here. Okay, let's just say, okay, I'm not happy with this salary that I paid this guy. I want to view it, and then I can just delete it. All right, if I'm not happy with it, it's then automatically be deleted. All right, thank you so much, and God bless you.